Manila Bankers Life was established in 1967 by the late Senator Gil Puyat. And right now, nabili na po yan ng IMG, ng Omnis Prosperity Group. No? So kumbaga, sister company siya ng IMG together with Kaiser. Yan, ganyan po kalaki ang IMG. Bumibili po ng mga kumpanya, di ba? Now, life insurance is not a fun topic. Yes, mas masarap pag-usapan ng investment. Tama ba? Yes. But life insurance is a crucial part of our financial strategy. Napaka-importante ng life insurance because our family has to live when we die. Pwedeng kunin tayo ni Lord na maaga, pero yung pamilyang iwanan natin, syempre tuloy-tuloy po. No? Life must go on for them. So, maganda ba yung buhay na iwanan natin sa kanila? Pag nawala tayo, dapat meron tayong life insurance coverage. Diba? So, tayo po to. Diba? So, syempre, tayo po ay kumakain araw-araw. Bakit? Kasi gusto nating bigyan ng magandang buhay yung ating pamilya. Yes? Poverty, no? Comfort and luxury. So, syempre, gusto natin mabigyan. If not luxury, at least comfort lifestyle, comfortable lifestyle. Yes? Kaya tayo nagtatrabaho dito or sa abroad. Pero saan kaya babagsak or pupunta yung pamilya natin kapag tayo nawala sa picture? No, magkasakit tayo ng grabe, na COVID tayo, ng matindi-tinding strain, di tayo naagapan, maaksidente tayo, pumikit tayo mamayang gabi, hindi na tayo dumilat, saan kaya pupunta ang ating pamilya? Ma-maintain ba nila yung comfort lifestyle? Or babagsak sila to poverty? I'm sure ayaw natin yan, no? So gusto natin ma-maintain nila, maganda pa rin yung buhay ng ating pamilya. So magagawa natin yan pag meron tayong protection or kumbaga sa gulong, kalso. Di ba? Kahit mawala tayo, hindi maghihirap ang ating pamilya, hindi sila magkakanda utang-utang, makapagtapos pa rin sila ng pag-aaral yung ating mga anak or kapatid na sinusuportahan. Yes? Importante ho ba ang life insurance? Can you type yes if you believe it's important? Yes? Okay. So yes, syempre, very, very important yan. No? Now, ano po ba yung four cornerstone of a good life insurance product? Okay? So syempre, kung may kasama investment yan, dapat may growth, no? Yung investment component. Of course, no, dapat safe din yung investment component ng insurance product natin. Mas maganda kapag hindi magne-negative yung kita taon-taon kahit na down ang stock market. Of course, dapat tax-free yung insurance proceeds and yung investment niya, no? And of course, dapat malaki yung insurance coverage pero napakamura lang. Okay? Growth, safety, dapat ng ating investment, okay? Tax-free, and of course, malaki yung insurance coverage pero mura lang po yung presyo. That's the four cornerstone of a good life insurance product. At yan po ang feature ng ating Most 18 or Most GRP. Most 18 stands for Multiple Option Super Term 18. No? So 18-year term insurance yan pero flexible siya. No? Pwede mong gamitin for retirement goal, for educational goal para sa iyong mga anak, para sa retirement mo, para sa pension, marami po na pwedeng paggamitan. Okay, Most 18 is an unbundled term life insurance with PDF. Ibig sabihin, unbundled, hiwalay po, no, yung insurance at investment. Pwede mong galawin yung investment na hindi mo maapektuhan yung insurance component and vice versa. Okay, it's a term insurance. Tapos pwede natin kargahan ng investment, we call it the PDF or the Premium Deposit Fund. Yan yung kumikita, tumutubo ng interest. Maximum coverage, it allows maximum coverage at a minimal cost. Okay? So, mamaya papakita ko yung presyo, no? Gusto mo ma-insure na 1 million, instead na gumastos ka 50,000, 40,000, napakamura po no ng Most 18, no? So, actually ito yung isa sa pinakamura, kung hindi man ito yung pinakamura sa insurance industry right now. Okay? Okay, now ano ba yung features and benefits ng ating Most 18? So sabi nga, number 1, term insurance. Purong insurance. Yan po yung pinakamurang insurance, no? Binabayaran mo lang is just the premium for the insurance coverage. Kaya mura po yan. Number 2, pwede nating kargahan ng investment or premium deposit fund or PDF. Yan yung savings and investment component niya. na zero negative. Kahit na negative po ang stock market, hindi nagne-negative ang kita ng ating PDF. Okay? Kahit mag-negative ang stocks, mag-negative ang mutual fund companies, ang PDF po hindi siya nagne-negative. Alright? So, it earns interest every year. Sabi nga natin, hindi siya nagne-negative, meron siyang floor. No? May floor limit. Pag negative ang stocks, ang minimum na ibibigay pa rin or minimum na tubo pa rin ng ating PDF is based on the interest rate of the savings account of the top 3 local banks. No? So, less than 1%. Pero hindi siya magne-negative. Covered tayo sa most 18 ng 18 years. No? Protected tayo any cause of death. Covered tayo in the next 18 years. Renewable po. No? So, ibig sabihin, we may renew our policy at the end of 18 years and before reaching the age of 60. No? So, halimbawa, kumuha ka age 30, after 18 years, 48 ka pa lang, no, pwede ka pang mag-renew, no? Kumuha ulit, ma-cover ulit ng another 18 years, all right? And actually even during the 18-year period natin, pwede tayong kumuha ng second policy para mag-overlap at mas malaki yung ating insurance coverage, all right? Convertible, we may convert our policy to a whole life insurance before reaching the age of 65. No? So, ibig sabihin, kung gusto mo naman makover, let's say, until age 100, pwede mo rin i-convert to a whole life insurance ang ating most 18. Alright? Yan. Accidental death benefit rider. Now, for example, kumuha tayo ng most 18 insurance coverage of 1 million pesos. Ibig sabihin, ng accidental death benefit rider, so kung namatay tayo due to a natural cause, sa sakit. For example, 1 million ang insurance coverage natin. Pero kung namatay tayo dahil sa aksidente, 1 plus 1, 2 million po ang matatanggap ng ating beneficiaries. No? So, pag aksidente, yung pagkakamatay. Next, meron din itong Payers Death and Disability Benefit Rider or PDDB. Ibig sabihin, kasi pwedeng kumuha sa most 18 kahit na minor. 5 years old until 17 years old. Pwede po. Kahit na wala pang legal age. Now, kapag insured yung bata, so ang payer ang nagbabayad, let's say yung parent, di ba? Eh namatay yung parent, yung nagbabayad. Ibig sabihin ng PDDB, fully paid na po yung balance sa 18 years ng most 18 nung minor. Okay? Yun po yung PDDB. So wala nang isipin, insured for the next 18 years yung bata kahit na nag-pass away yung kanyang payer or magulang. Okay? Meron din ho itong terminal illness rider or TI, terminal illness. For example, no, na-diagnose tayo ng grabing sakit, malubhang sakit. May taning na po yung buhay natin. Sabi ng doktor, Juan, isang taon, less than 1 year na lang no, yung itatagal mo sa mundo na to. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng terminal illness rider? Ibibigay na po sa atin no? 50% ng ating coverage habang buhay pa tayo or up to a maximum of 500,000 pesos. For example, insured tayo ng 1 million pesos, no? So, makukuha natin maximum 500,000 cash. Okay? Pwede natin gamitin pang gimmick, no? Ma-enjoy yung ating huling oras sa mundo, no? Or pampagamot sa ating sakit, di ba? Yan. So, habang buhay pa po tayo, pag kinuha tayo ni Lord, now we pass away, yung remaining 500,000, let's say 1 million yung coverage natin, ibibigay yung natitirang 500,000 sa ating beneficiaries. Alright? Yun yung terminal illness rider. Plus, meron din po itong total and permanent disability rider, although ito po applicable lang sa most GRP, yung sa group insurance for IMG members. Kapag na-aksidente, na total and permanent disability for at least 6 months, no? For example, hindi may galaw yung braso for 6 months, no? Medyo na-paralyze, halimbawa dahil sa aksidente, fully paid na po. Okay? Tawag dito, makatanggap po ng benefit, no? Yung tawag dito yung tayo as the insured. All right? Okay, kung 1 million, so 1 million din po yung matatanggap natin in case of total and permanent disability rider for the most GRP. Okay, now lastly, critical illness rider or CI, critical illness. na-diagnose tayo ng critical illness, no? So any 30 covered critical illnesses, no? So na-diagnose tayo cancer, sakit sa puso, na-comatose tayo, cirrhosis sa atay, no? Na-stroke tayo, etc. So marami po 'yan na covered na critical illness. Ibig sabihin po, mabibigyan tayo habang buhay pa po tayo upon diagnosis of the critical illness 30% of the basic death benefit natin. So halimbawa, ang insured tayo, 1 million coverage, 30% niyan, ibibigay sa atin 300,000 pesos. Pwede natin gamitin pampagamot sa ating critical illness. Kapag covered tayo ng 5 million pesos, 30% of 5 million, magkano po yan? 1.5 million pesos, cash ibibigay sa atin as the critical illness coverage natin. Okay? So this can help alleviate the expenses incurred by the family during the ailment. Okay? So napakaganda, di po ba? Napakaraming features. Yan. This is an example of the annual premiums for 1 million insurance coverage plus the accidental death benefit plus the terminal illness benefit plus the critical illness coverage rider and PDDB. Example, 30 years old tayo. Magkano pong insurance, magkano yung premium for 1 million coverage? 7,188. 7,188. Question, annual ba yan? Quarterly? Or monthly? Ang tingin nyo? That's already annual, no? So, annual na po yan. So, fixed na yan in the next 18 years. Any cause of death, 1 million po. 1 to 2 million po matatanggap nung pamilya natin. Okay? So, napakamura, di po ba? Meron akong kaibigan, no? Nagtanong sa akin kasi nakakuha siya ng ibang insurance coverage, no? Sa ibang company. Sabi niya, maganda daw yung nakuha niya kasi tawag dito, meron din daw critical illness. So pinakita ko sa kanya to, no? He was I think nakalimutan ko yung exact age niya, no? So I think 40 years old yata siya. So sinabi ko, nakita niya to 11,000 lang premium. Monthly ba yan? Sabi niya, hindi po, annually na yan. Eh, yung binabayaran niya sa insurance na nakuha niya, 50,000 pesos for the same 1 million insurance coverage. Okay? So, sasabi ko, yung 50,000 mo, pagka most 80 ang kinuha mo, 11,000 lang ang bayad sa premium, yung sobrang 39,000 goes to the investment portion. Dun sa nakuha niyang VUL product, sa first 1 or 2 years, wala pa pong halos cash value or investment na-accumulate yon. So nakita niyo yung big difference. So talaga na-realize niya na very powerful talaga na yung product natin na most 18. Okay? Yan. Okay. Ito, yung sinasabi ko kanina, zero negative, no? So from 2018 to 2021, no? So negative, no? Yung 2018 yung PSEI tsaka Leading Mutual Fund Company, pero yung most 18 tignan nyo, never siyang nag-negative. Tama? 2020 negative 8%, negative 8% yung both Leading Mutual Fund at saka yung Philippine Stock Exchange Index, pero most 18 nagbigay pa rin ng positive 1.6%. Okay? So very powerful po yung kita ng PDF because of the zero negative feature. Okay? Now, dalawa po yan. Most 18 and most GRP. Ano po bang pinagkaiba ng most 18 sa most GRP? Most 18, okay, so member or non-member ng IMG pwede po mag-apply. Okay, it's an individual policy. Okay, insured will be issued a policy. Pwede rin kumuha from between 5 to 60 years old. Most 18 po ay pwede lang tayong kumuha ng most 18 kapag nasa Pilipinas tayo. Okay? Pag nasa Pilipinas lang kasi hindi po pwedeng bumili ng life insurance policy kapag nasa labas ng Pilipinas. Now, ano po yung solution natin dito? Kapag IMG member tayo, meron tayong access sa most GRP. So parang design po niya para most 18 din, no? Wala siyang pinagkaiba. May additional rider pa nga siya na total and permanent disability rider. Diba? So exclusive to IMG members, may access ka sa most GRP kahit na OFW ka, outside the Philippines. It's a group policy, kaya kailangan IMG member tayo. Kaya eligibility age is 18 to 60 years old kasi kailangan legal age to become an IMG member. Okay? Yan yung solution natin para kahit nasa labas tayo ng bansa, pwede pa rin tayo makuha ng magandang protection. Alright? Yan. Okay. O ito, example no, ng ating proposal. Example, Juan de la Cruz, 30 years old. Okay? So, kumuha siya ng 1 million coverage with all the riders. Magkano po yung annual premium? 7,188. 7,188. Pero ang most 18 po, pag nag-apply tayo, meron tayo ditong one-time policy fee, 500 pesos. Okay? 7,188 plus 500 policy fee. Okay? Kaya on the first year, premium 7,688 because of the annual policy fee. The one-time policy fee. Okay? And then kapag nag-apply po tayo, minimum PDF requirement is 6,000 pesos. Okay? So yun po yung minimum PDF na kailangan initial meron tayo. Now, example, si Juan de la Cruz, 5 years lang niya gustong maghulog. So naghulog siya every year for 5 years, 46,000 pesos. Okay? So bayad sa first year, premium is 7,688. What's the difference? 39,101 pesos goes to the PDF at yan po yung tutubo ng interest. At 12%, yan ang tubo. So end of first year, meron na siyang investment or PDF 43,793 pesos. Second year, up to the fifth year, yun po yung pareho niyang kinontribute. So minus 7,188. Yung difference po, yung sobra na pupunta sa PDF, walang kaltas, no? Walang charge compared sa ibang insurance products. Diba? Yan yung tumutubo ng interest. Okay? Now, anong mangyayari? Kasi 18-year coverage to Doc Jaime, tapos 5 taon na siya nagbayad, hindi maglalapse ba yung policy? No? So hindi po, because as long as sapat yung PDF natin sa ating policy, diyan po diyan kukunin yung premium. Kaya makita nyo from 6th year onwards up to the 18th year, may minus 7,188 binawa sa PDF. Pero since malaki yung PDF niya, palago pa rin ng palago. So ang total na binayad, magkano po sa 5 years? 233,000 pesos. Na-insure tayo na 1 million any cause of death times 2 kung accidental death. Okay? And then after 18 years, meron pa tayong mawi-withdraw sa PDF na 1 million pesos. Okay? So pwede mong gamitin to for retirement, for college education ng bata, etc. Alright? So that's the feature. Multiple option super term 18. Most 18 or most GRP. Of course, yung PDF, no, at any given time, pwede rin po natin i-withdraw. Okay? Pero syempre, wag natin ilalagay dito yung short-term investments natin, long-term investments lang ang ilalagay natin sa ating PDF. Okay? So clear po ba so far? Now, how to apply sa ating most 18? Okay? So number 1, so ask your life license trainer. Kasi para makagawa ng proposal, ng application, kailangan may license tayo sa life insurance. Okay? Kaya all IMG members, no, we encourage all of you to take your life license as soon as possible. Okay? Para makapag-create tayo ng application, ng proposal. Next is fill up and sign yung ating application and upload one government-issued ID. Okay? And of course, pay the premium. Pay the premium plus the one-time policy fee plus initial minimum PDF of 6,000 pesos. Kung more than 6,000 gusto nilagay, it's okay. Okay? Ano mang sobra, napupunta sa PDF or investment. Okay? That's the 3 simple steps to avail of the most 18 or most GRP. Okay? So marami po ba kayo natutunan so far? So make sure solid talaga yung ating financial foundation. Kaiser, then dagdagan mo na most 18 or GRP, plus of course tuloy-tuloy tayo sa ating mutual fund investments, may access tayo sa ating members portal. So in IMG, no, one-stop shop tayo, we can build a solid financial foundation with Kaiser na hindi na natin kailangan ng iba't ibang ahente para sa ating healthcare, para sa ating insurance, para sa ating mga investments, etc. One-stop shop tayo sa IMG. And sa IMG, tatlong opportunities natin, matututo tayo, we will get educated para ma-manage natin ang tama ating kinikita. May one-stop shop platform tayo, and of course, we can also earn in the business. We can become an entrepreneur in IMG and make more money. Plus, of course, napakarami nating membership benefits bilang IMG members. Okay?